Hey, we here today. We got this cordless pole hedge trimmer. We're going to open it up and see what it do. Okay. Now that we're inside the box. Okay, we got the hedge trimmer. Got a little weight to it too. Then we got the attaching pole that goes with it. So it doesn't come with a battery. And it does come with a hedge protector. And we got the pole right here. Goes in there. And of course your battery will go right here. Be an easy fit to connect it. Okay. So in hooking this up, it's an alignment. You align it with the piece in here. Bam. And it goes right in pretty easy. All right. Then you screw this up to tighten it up. Bam. Got the shoulder strap to work with and safety guard feature here. And yeah, it's pretty heavy too. Look like it's, seems to be durable. Yeah. Hook it up to extend even farther. And you can also close it back in for the size you want. Your preferred size, but yeah, pretty nice.